The other day, my wife called me. Was it at 2? He said, oh, you're up there in the roof. I said, don't call, don't call. When I saw the call is when it's like I left there. I told her of a vision. Friday in the service, I was praying. Then God took me in the spirit. In a few minutes, I started seeing trances. And I saw all presidents of Kenya standing in a line in the spirit. I saw Kenyatta as if I was alive in those days. I saw him. Did I tell you the vision? The man came to me with a bowl. I can't explain much. I saw Moi, I saw Kiba. You don't need to believe me. I don't care what you believe. I don't care. I saw Kenyatta, I saw Kibaki, I saw Moi, I saw Kibaki in arrangement until I saw Ruto, and they had a bowl, a golden bowl. I saw it. I told her, I was praying, and then the spirit took me. I noticed the tongues change. It doesn't always happen. I've tried to look for those tongues. I can't. I went to play the video. What is this man saying? Because the experience was, I can't explain. It was a place where kings are made. It was a room. I found that their names are engraved before they were born into this world. God had engraved them. Then the last one, I didn't know. It says there's 6. It was empty. Then the Lord told me, you know the meaning of the fast? He said, the first president, I will say it publicly, because I know what not is public. I'm not a young person spiritually. He said the first president was Reuben. He was the son of my strength, but unstable as the water. Notice Kenya became unstable. I was seeing the names. He came to the second one. I will not say. He came to the third one. He says this one resurrected Kenya. It was on the 3rd day. Look at the economy of Kenya. He rose. Yeah, I saw names. I thought I was crazy. I came to the 4th one. I will not say. He said, look what I created on the 4th day. Then I came to the 5th one. He explained the 5th one because he loved him. You can't understand. He was speaking with rage. He was stirred up. I saw the king. I saw him. I don't know how I saw him. I don't know. But I saw him. He loved him with his heart. He loves him. He was still crying for him. And then I asked him. He told me, read the tabernacle of the king. So I went into the chamber. I saw everything to death. I saw it. I started feeling I was not the right person to be in that room. So I started praying, Satan, I bind you. He says,